Some of the challenges that we faced before implementing Trintech really is around our close and certification modules. So for certification, we really had no visibility into whether team members were completing recs, whether they were being reviewed, whether the content was appropriate. So the Cadency tool really helped bring that visibility to our leaders and really hold our team members accountable for the work that they were completing. We just wrapped up a fiscal year, and I think it's the cleanest our books have been in many years due to the tool. So we've just been really happy with the results we're seeing out of that. With the close module, kind of the same thing. We were manually tracking all of our close tasks in Excel prior to using the tool. So this has allowed greater visibility across the whole team, how we're tracking day to day and reporting that out to our business leaders. Some of the benefits that we've seen since implementing Trintech is on-time rec completion. With that real-time reporting, we're able to see how all of our team members are progressing along, and we're really able to hold everybody accountable, as well as holding them to accurate numbers. So that's been really great in the certification tool. And same thing for close. We're really getting that real time, how people are doing on their close tasks. And we've shortened our close by a few days over the last 1.5 to 2 years. So that's been a huge win for us.
Advice that we would give to future clients of Trintech would be to start with the small wins first. Understand where you want to go with the smaller tasks, and then also once you build those and you get those small wins, then go on to bigger, daunting tasks.
Can I add to that too? We wish that we would have done this years ago. It's just brought so much value to our team and to the company that we kick ourselves for not implementing sooner. So get going as soon as you can.
I would describe working with Trintech as they are a true partner. They want you to be successful as much as you want your own company to be successful.
What's next for Northern Tool and Trintech is hopefully getting all 4 modules integrated better together. We're looking forward to learning more about some of those features that we're maybe not tapped into yet.